In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS to WordPress quickly and easily. If you're looking to customize your WordPress site beyond the default options, adding your own CSS can be a powerful way to create a truly unique look and feel. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, open up your web browser and navigate over to wordpress.com. This is where you'll start the process of adding custom CSS to your site. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on login to begin accessing your account. This will take you to the login page where you'll see options to continue with various accounts. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead and click on continue with Google. This method is quick and straightforward if you already have an account connected to Google. Next, choose your Google account from the list that appears, assuming you have more than one. Just select the one that's associated with your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now we need to find our way to the site editor where we'll actually be making our CSS changes. On the right hand panel you should see a section labelled quick links. One of the options here is edit site. Click on this and it will guide you straight into the editing section of your WordPress site. When you're in your site's editing mode, you'll want to click on your website itself, or more specifically any part of the block where you'd like to apply CSS. This action will open up the options that let you adjust your blocks. Once you've selected a block, take a look at the right panel again. You'll find several tabs there, but the one we're interested in is called Block. Click on this tab to reveal additional settings specific to the block you have selected. From here, locate the section labelled Advanced. This is where you can add in custom settings, and it's where the magic happens for custom CSS. Once you've clicked on Advanced, you'll see a field labelled Additional CSS Class. This is the spot where you can enter your custom CSS class callout. Type the class name you plan to use, making sure it's specific and clear so you remember what it applies to later. After adding your CSS class here, you can then head over to your site's style sheet and define what that CSS class actually does in terms of styling. And just like that, by following these steps, you've successfully added custom CSS to your WordPress site. Remember, CSS is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your website, so don't hesitate to experiment and see the fantastic changes you can bring. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this helps you create a WordPress site that stands out.